baby Asher. Day 8. He's got some hiccups. He kind of does one eye.
Likes to wink.
Yeah. Big Papa.
I'm gonna do the Asher.
That's hot.
What's up, buddy? Wanna look at the camera? Yeah? What'd you
Zoom
hear,
in on
buddy?
that cute face, those baby blues. You got cross-eyed, baby.
You see Mama? Here's some funny stuff. What?
He likes
What?
to go cross-eyed.
Oh!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Daddy.
Uh-oh. Here, bud.
He looks very serious.
Hmm. Kind of like a squeaky toy that time. See, he's got his little man boobs and his distended stomach.
Aw. Asher, when you're bigger and you see this, it's okay. You're still a baby.
It's already got old man hair. Grunts like an old man.
Alright, baby. I love you.
Oh, you getting excited, Asher, now?